What's going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. I just want to start off by saying this is going to be the first of many trading videos on this channel. The goal of this channel is to provide as much information as I can to you guys because I want you guys to be informed, educated. I want you to understand the markets and understand the opportunity you have in front of you. As you could tell by the title, we're going to be going over everything that you need to know as far as trading in 2019 to 2020. If you're unfamiliar to trading, I recommend watching my previous video. In that video, I break down what is trading for beginners, people that don't know anything. So getting started, I'm going to give you guys a breakdown on everything I wish I knew before I started trading. First off, how to get started trading in Forex in 2019 to 2020. The first thing people like to ask me is when is a good time to get started trading? In my opinion, there's no such thing as a perfect time. Just like going to the gym, going back to school, getting a new job, you just got to do it. You got to dive into it and start learning before you can actually get started at all, right? Before you go to the gym, you're going to watch workout videos. You're going to understand what you're going to be doing when you're at the gym. You're not just going to go to the gym and just pick up a weight and not know at all what to do. So hopefully by watching this video, you can kind of get educated and understand what to do next and start learning. When is a good time? Now is a good time. You want to learn and then get started as soon as you can if you think this is the opportunity for you. The third point, we're approaching the end of the year. Now, what does that mean? We're approaching the end of the year. We have Christmas and New Year's coming. Those are the two craziest days for traders just because there's so much news going on. There's so much volatility in the markets. And that's the best time to start growing your account. There's a lot more money to be made during these times. Next question, how much money do I need to get started? It really depends on you and your finances. For example, a lot of people have school. A lot of people go to work. A lot of people have side hustles, side businesses. So if you're looking to take something extra on your plate, that's totally up to you. As an experienced trader, the more money you have equals the bigger returns onto your account. To get started trading, you could use as little as $200. Some brokers offer a $50 startup, a $100 startup, a $200 startup. The broker I use is a $200 startup for beginners, and you don't need anything more than that. If you want to play with just $200, give it a try, get your feet wet, go for it. But if you are looking for programs, mentorships, that could range from anywhere from $50 to the thousands and up. It really depends on your mentor, his prices, and what he's offering. But as far as getting started learning on your own, just to start trading, it's going to be a minimum, I would say, $200 deposit onto your trading account. And from there, you can start growing your account however you want with whatever strategies you've picked up. Next, what do I need to start trading? A lot of people think that you need this crazy setup with a huge PC, multiple monitors. Although it does help, as a beginner, you're not going to have that crazy setup. Maybe you like to game, but the average person's not going to have, that crazy setup. So you can actually start trading with Wi-Fi, a laptop or desktop, and a smartphone. The laptop or desktop is going to be useful for analyzing pairs, marking up charts on TradingView, which is what I like to use. But I personally like to enter trades on my phone. You can analyze through your phone. You can take trades through your phone. You don't need a PC or a laptop. Next, you're going to have your trading apps. Trading apps would be MetaTrader 4, TradingView. TradingView is actually the website that we use to mark up and analyze our charts because you can use a lot of draw tools. They have a lot of trading tools like trend lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, short positions, long positions. They have so many different tools on that website that are going to actually help you when entering your trades. MetaTrader 4, I'm going to throw a screenshot on the screen. MetaTrader 4 is what we use to enter the markets. You get a broker. Broker gives you access. Once that broker gives you access to the markets, you can then start trading. And then they have tons of pairs depending on your broker, and you can buy and sell currencies using MetaTrader 4. Next question, how do I learn? A lot of people think that they have to go balls deep into learning how to trade stocks, Forex, crypto. You really don't. If you're a beginner and want to get started yourself, you could use things like YouTube, you can use Google. Do your own research beforehand, do your due diligence, and make sure that you know what you're investing into, or you know how you're getting started, or how to get started yourself if you don't want to find a mentor or programs. Once you've learned kind of how to trade, once you've picked up basic strategies, apply those strategies. Take it to a market. Go on TradingView. I just gave you the website that we use to analyze our trades. Go on TradingView, mark up some charts, understand what you've learned, apply it. If you're still not finding the success you need, then consider, enrolling in a program, looking for a mentor. It doesn't have to be right away. Make sure you want to do this. Make sure this is something that you can see yourself doing, because a lot of people get started, and because they don't have the strong mindset and discipline and think that it's quick money really fast, and then they assume it's not for them, or they don't like it right away. They didn't try it out. They just jumped right into it and realized that it's not for them, and it's not as easy as a lot of people think. Next, what to expect. A lot of people have very high expectations because they hear investing and assume that, this is how you become a millionaire overnight. You can become an overnight success just by buying and selling a stock, a currency, crypto. Although Bitcoin was very huge, not everything is like that. Not everything, blows up overnight over a couple weeks. It takes time. discipline, and you have to understand what you're doing. Which brings me to my first point. A lot of people think that this is for them. You might like making money, but this might not be the way you like to make money. A lot of people think that just because they hear investing, they think, oh, it's either really easy, it's really hard, or it's automatically for them. That's not the case. Not everybody is good at investing or knows how to invest or will really make their money investing. This might not be for you, so understand that. Next, it takes a strong mindset. You have to understand that you're investing your money, so you have to be emotionally unattached to the money that you're investing. If you're attached to every single dollar that you invest, ultimately you're not going to see the returns you want. You're not going to make the money you want. So you have to understand and have a strong mindset when trading the markets. Next is discipline. Discipline is something that a lot of people lack inside these markets. Discipline is one of the key components when trading. You know, you could be up $200, $500, $1,000 in a trade. If you're not disciplined, if you don't understand what to do next, then ultimately that means nothing. If you're not going to take your profit, if you're not going to scratch a loss, you need to be aware of the potential risk for the gain. You need to understand what's going on and be disciplined and understand what to do when you're in the markets. Next, being coachable. Being coachable throughout the learning process is very, very important, especially if you're with a mentor. A mentor might have their very specific trading style and they're trying to develop your own trading style. Not everybody has the exact same trading style. Some people like to day trade, some people like to swing trade. Some people like to invest in only a set of currency pairs, while others like to invest in so many different pairs and enter 10, 20 trades a day. You need to understand not everybody trades the same. You need to understand that this is a process. You need to understand that everybody's a little different and everybody has their own ways. It's all about finding what caters to you as a trader and what's going to help you maintain equity growth on your account. Next, be willing to fail before succeeding. This is a huge one. A lot of people fail and immediately get down and think it's not for them or that they're doing something completely wrong. That's the process. If I didn't fail, if I didn't learn from my mistakes, I wouldn't be the trader I am today. I wouldn't have the things that I have today. I wouldn't be able to do any of the things that I can do today. Why? Because I wouldn't have learned. I wouldn't have grown. If I didn't get to learn from those mistakes, I would be stuck at zero from day one. Next, you will not be an overnight success. Understand that. Now, what does that mean? A lot of people, get started trading. A lot of people think that, you can invest $100 today and make 10K tomorrow just because they've seen things like Bitcoin blow up, just because they've seen some stocks blow up. Those are rare cases, not everything shoots up very fast. Forex is a lot crazier and a lot more money, but it's not, turn 500 into 10K tomorrow. It's possible, don't get me wrong, but it's very unrealistic. And if these are the goals you're setting for yourself from the beginning, then you're going to be very, very disappointed when you actually enter the markets. Next, what are the benefits? There's lots of benefits with trading. Just to list a few, it develops your discipline. It develops a strong mindset and patience in the markets. It helps you value and understand finances, because once you see the opportunity in front of you, once you see capital growing, you realize how much money you can be making for yourself anywhere in any field, any type of business, any type of investment. It just kind of opens your mind to the opportunities around you. Creating a stream of income as an investor. So you're investing, you're creating a third, second, fourth, or even maybe a first, stream of income as an investor. As you're investing your money, this is an income. Next, you're going to be developing a skill set. With this skill set, it can be applicable anywhere in life. You can own a hedge fund. You can run a business with investors coming to you and you trade their money. It really depends on you and what you want to do with this skill set. Maybe you just want to trade for yourself. Maybe you want to take family's money and invest it and grow it for everybody. Maybe you want to, like I said, own a hedge fund. You want investors to come to you, give you a piece of money, and then you split the piece of the pie at the end. Again, it's really up to you. Whatever you want to do with this, it's totally up to you. That's basically everything I wish I knew when I started trading. I hope you guys learned something from this. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I have a free trading Discord. If you've ever been interested in learning how to trade, if you want to be surrounded by like-minded traders, be sure to join that. Currently over 200 members inside of our first class investments team. My name is Carlos Lopez. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys.